Imagine a world where every silent thought erupts into sound. You wake up, every whisper in your mind spills into reality. Your neighbor's secrets, your friend's envy, all laid bare. The air hums with chaos. Hidden desires twist into sharp words. No more masks, no more facades. Every small talk morphs into gripping confessions. Strangers reel from unfiltered truths. A chilling vulnerability ignites silent battles. Joy turns sour. Every compliment is tainted with jealousy. You hear the envy of the cashier, the bitterness of your coworker. Trust dissolves. Transparency breeds paranoia. Friendships unravel in cacophony as trust is shattered under the weight of unseen thoughts. After this dark revelation, you realize silence was never the enemy. It was the only protection.